Hi friends, in this video I will explain how to connect a DC motor to a 9 volts battery. Items required for this project. 1. 9 volt battery. 2. Battery wire cap. 3. DC motor. 4. Propeller. Let's go start. Attach the wire cap to the battery. Connect the two wires from the battery to the motor. Now notice the motor turning. Replace the wires to rotate the motor in reverse. Now the motor is turning backwards. I hope I have given you the right information in this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. I will salvage your doubts. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Important note: click on this link and download the circuit diagram of the project from our website. We will embed the missing information in the video on the website. Purchase links for items used in the project include product links in the description box at the bottom of the video. Our channel gets some commission by clicking on them and making purchases. You will not be charged any external charges. Thank you. See you again.